Hello, and welcome to Tech Tips here on Learning the Social Sciences. Today we're going to be talking about audio and Zoom. Having perfect audio is very important for every single classroom teacher that is now suddenly teaching via Zoom or even Google Meet. But today we're focusing on Zoom. So if you are going to be playing a video or you're going to be playing music for your students, you want to make sure that you have the right settings, because to you it might sound perfect, but to your students it might sound like a garbled mess, and nobody wants that. So let's first go down to Screen Share. We click on Screen Share and go to Advanced. Here we're going to see this button for music or computer sound only. If you are playing a video or you are playing a music file, you are going to want to click this. Also, a side note, if you're somebody that uses a document camera or an iPad connected, that's where you would also click on that as well. So we go click on that to share. And then our audio should be coming through there for any sound that we will be playing. If you want to just experiment here, we can see what we have. Click on some groove music. When I go and I play a video, I am going to then be in control of the sound in the application that I'm using to play the song. So that is where I would be doing it. I would not be controlling that within Zoom for that moment. So exiting there, for further sound and audio settings, we go down here to the bottom corner to mute and click on the arrow. Have that come on up, and then we go on audio settings. Once we are in there, we can confirm that we have the correct speakers. If you're using a headset, obviously you want it to be going there. The correct microphone, if you have a headset microphone, you want to make sure that it is going there, or a separate microphone. I have a separate microphone there. So I'm then going to click on Advanced Settings. This is very important for music teachers. If you are a music teacher and you are doing lessons, you want to be able to hear your students with their instruments, and you want them to hear you. So this is something you're also going to have to show your students. So this middle box says suppress intermittent background noise. You want to go into that and press disable. That way they will be able to hear your violin or your piano or whatever else you are using at that moment. So that is key to have that clicked for your students. So that is it for the basic tech audio settings for within Zoom, so that you can be successful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and remember to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.